creating the advisory board, tie up with the C4I4 lab of Pune for advancing Industry 4.0 initiatives. Working hard, he has ignited so many minds in NIQR and all over to push so many of us beyond our comfort levels. His humility, his willingness to connect with anybody has driven our members to come out with quality products. செந்தமிழில் அவரை பற்றி சொல்ல வேண்டுமானால் கடின உழைப்பில் ஒரு கடிகாரம், கனமான பேச்சு திறத்தில் சிறந்த ஆளுமை, கனிந்த உள்ளம் கனிந்த தன்மையில் ஒரு தாய்மை என்று கூறலாம். நீங்கள் ஒரு விசித்திர கலவை என இன்று கருதுகிறேன். கருணை, நேர்மை, தொழில் தர்மம், அடக்கம், ஆளுமை எல்லாம் சரிசம விகிதத்தில் சாதனைகள் பல புரிந்து எண்ணற்ற விருதுகளையும் பெற்று இங்கே நினைவுகூர கடமைப்பட்டுள்ளேன். Mr. P.K. Agarwal ji was conferred the Leadership Award for Contribution to Quality by the World Quality Congress in an award function held on November 20, 2012 in Mumbai. The award recognizes the best of the best for excellence in the following: quality management, leadership, business process improvement, and benchmarking of quality practices. NIQR சென்னை ரீஜினில் எங்களை வளர்த்து ஆளாக்கி சேவையில் விட்டு செல்கிறீர்கள். உங்கள் சேவையின் வெளிச்சம் எங்களில் மிளிர்வது நிச்சயம். It's heartening to note that he is going to join the team at National Capital Region NCR and stamp the NIQR footprint in that region. He has got happiness and peace to so many of our members. I pray to Almighty, He always gave his vision, his idea to most and more growth for him and all of us. Agarwal ji, on behalf of my fellow NIQrians, I record our best wishes to you in this journey. We also wish you good health and happiness. Thank you so much to all. வாய்மொழி கேட்டமைக்கு என்னுடைய மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை அனைவருக்கும் வழங்கி விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம். உங்கள் சென்னை செழியன்.
Thank you, Dr. Chelian. Now I request the participants to spend 120 seconds maximum in felicitating our Agarwal ji, because there are a lot of people you are in the queue, and I displayed the list also. So those who are not informed me in advance, those who want to join now, they given a slot at 6:40. Let us try to maintain the time limit, and you can see the list and you can take up the chance one by one. Raghavan sir has muted everybody, so you have to unmute yourself and speak. Over to Mr. Anbu Chelian sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
It's a great pleasure to do this facilitation, Mr. PKG. And when I met him first time in my factory few years back, he was very passionate about NIQR than his job, because he gave a first visiting card, NIQR visiting card, not the TAFE visiting card. A very passionate president of NIQR, I can remember, and he only connected with NIQR for me, and a lot of things we discussed, and I had an honor to have him as a chief guest for one of the CII Quality Summit, Digital Quality Summit program. Unfortunately, I was not able to meet his expectation. I have to say sorry at this stage, because he expected a lot of contribution from me for NIQR. But the NIQR took a different orbit under his leadership, and very passionate quality leader I never seen so far in my 30 years of experience. I wish Mr. Agarwal ji for the happy retire life. He won't retire. He always going to be active in a different form. I hope that he'll be helping us and supporting the country from Delhi through NIQR. All the best, sir.
Thank you, sir. Next, Mr. Bala.
You are able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, good evening to all of you, and thanks for the opportunity to say a few words about Mr. Agarwal. And see, Agarwal has written in his email back, don't call it as a farewell party. See, I am not going to permanently retire and not do anything. I'll go back to Delhi and be actively participating in NIQR activities and some more on my interest, pursue on my interest. So here, one thing is, farewell is not in Tamil we say Pirivu Upacharam. It's not in the context of Pirivu Upacharam. It is in the context of wishing a person to fare well in his future endeavor. So it's a farewell to do whatever he is doing at Delhi, to do it fare well in whatever endeavor he is going to do at Delhi. I wish him farewell. That's what is coined as a farewell party. That's what I want to emphasize here. And as Suryan was telling about, he is a man of simplicity and he is approachable and he is very clear in his view about anything. So we have a lot of discussion going on during our meetings. And finally, all the arbitrations, and then after that, someone has to give a clarity and vision to the thinking. So it comes with very clear thought process, and he used to suggest what's the next step, and that will be very clear, precise, clear. But this is what I have seen in many meetings when I was present with, and I heard a lot about his role in TAFE from people whom work with me at TAFE, still continuing there. And for all your information, I also served for TAFE for 7 years, and I have a special attachment to TAFE. And I heard a lot from our people over there who was with me, colleagues there, a lot about him, many good things about him. So I wish at this point, Mr. Agarwal, a very happy and retire life, and though he will pursue with all his interest, whatever his interest which he is not able to do, I'm very sure he will do his interest, take a life of whatever is interest to him, and continue to be very actively involved with NIQR. That's what he has already written to us. So I wish him all the very best, and we will be in touch with you for anything and everything. All the very best, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you, Bala. Next, Mr. Janadharam, sir. GRJ, sir.
Gauri sir, I have unmuted him. He is not. Let me just give a few seconds. Murali Shankar sir has joined. Let us see.
Okay, we'll take Kodanram, sir. Next.
One second. I'll just put that. Kodanram sir is ready. Sir, Kodanram sir, please go ahead, sir.
Okay. Good evening, all of you. It's my pleasure to be in this bid farewell to Mr. Agarwal ji. I have not had opportunity to visit TAFE when he is there, but actually we had a lot of interaction during the NIQR meetings. There are 2-3 things I learned even at 65 from him. He is very diplomatic, soft speaking. At the same time, he is very clear in his messages. He don't beat around the bush. Even though I have professionally, I have come across different people in my careers. He is a very nice gentleman to me. Even in my brochure interaction and all, highly responsive, immediate responsive and commitment I could able to see. He will not raise his voice, but he will see the other man get the messages. That way I missed to work with him, but for NIQR, only NIQR I had the opportunity to interact. Lot of leadership qualities I had to pick up from him. I really wish him all the success in his future endeavor. Thanks for his mail. He has given a reassurance to NIQR members that he is there only operating. It is a regional transfer, that's all, from Chennai to Delhi. Certainly we will be with you, sir. We will we will ask your advices to progress NIQR better. Any of us visit Delhi, certainly we will have the liberty to visit you also. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you. We really wish you all the best, sir. Have a great day. Gauri Shankar.
Sir, Gauri Shankar, thanks. Kodanram sir, 1 second. Thank you.
Welcome.
Sir, Murugan sir.
Good evening, everyone, NIQRians. I had a very close interaction with Agarwal ji during this global convention. Apart from this, I have visited a lot of TAFE industries as a 5 years assessor. And during his tenure, the company has won a lot of laurels and accolades. And it is a state-to-state, not only state-to-state transfer, but also we are relieving him and putting him in Delhi. That is what I feel, personally I feel. I wish him a very happy retired life, peaceful life. supporting NIQR continuously from Delhi regional head. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Ramchandran sir,
Yes. Are you able
please
to
go
hear?
ahead. Yes, sir. We are able to hear you clearly, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Agarwal and dear friends. It's a nice occasion for us to meet to this virtual convention. We always have been lucky to have and fortunate to have a very good presidents for NIQR all these years, all these decades. In that series, Mr. Agarwal has appropriately fitted in, and he had been one of the stalwarts and the star presidents of NIQR. He had been quite active for the last 6 years as a vice president, and subsequently, and his contribution has been immense. He had been very mild-mannered, but a decent gentleman. But whenever he conducted the meeting, he had been very prompt, punctual, and firm, and to the point. So the way, the professionalism, we could see always the kind of a professionalism and determination whenever he was there in the chair and conducting the proceedings of the NIQR. I thank him for this professional services, what he had been rendered. Then, today, it is just, people have defined what's the farewell and other things. But today I would consider this function as a satellite launching program. So it's a satellite Agarwal is going to be launched today, and that will get stationed at Delhi, and it will be in a firm orbit there. And the satellite is going to be a great help to India and NIQR. And surely the QCA activities and the NBQB activities and increasing the membership, etc., everything will get improved and increased and be made more professional during the stay at Delhi. Then, because of this, our satellite is going to be stationed at Delhi. The Make in India movement, we all been talking about it for long, but nothing much has happened. We'll have to really give a push to Make in India and see to it our quality, delivery, cost, everything is we are competent, and we beat China outright. So I'm sure Mr. Agarwal's presence in Delhi will help the NIQR flag to fly high, and also the nation's flag fly high, and make us a proud citizens and Make in India movement all that success. We will miss him at Chennai, but we have to physically meeting him, contact him and all that. However, by means of his activities towards the nation and the NIQR, we'll never miss it. I wish Mr. Agarwal all success in his relocation and thank him for the services rendered so far and best wishes for the coming years. I wish him a long life, a long, healthy life and a prosperous life. Thank you, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you, Ram sir. Jay sir. Okay, I think Rangarajan I have not seen. Dr. Sanjay Rao, please. Sanjay Rao, unmute yourself. Yeah. Again, mute. Please unmute.
Okay. Good evening, friends. You are able to hear me? You are able to hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, good. First of all, I would like to thank NIQR Executive Committee for giving me opportunity to share my thoughts and my association with Agarwal ji. My association is through NIQR as well as TOFE whenever I am visiting. And then I always see him, he is as a Ajat Shatru, means he doesn't have any enemies because he's so friendly whenever anybody meets him, and he's so courteous and so sincere, and then he is truth to himself. So that is one great quality. He has got a lot of human qualities, and that is how he was able to develop a lot of friends actually. Now, as NIQR is concerned, I always treat him as one of the best presidents we ever had in NIQR, and the way he was conducting the meetings, and particularly, when we wanted to revive the branches, particularly Delhi as well as Pune, he played a very key role, and he was highly successful. We were able to make them live, and also a lot of interaction with headquarters. That is a great thing. And also another memorable thing is about the convention what we had in 2018. was really great and memorable. We can never forget the way the digitalization topic was taken, and a lot of top people who are able to deliver great things. Another credit goes to him. And he is a basically excellent team builder. And he always, gives a lot of allotting the jobs, and then you will see they do perfectly. And while allotting also, you will allot in such a way, the right people, right job. Is the type of thing used to plan. And apart from NIQR, I also used to have association with coffee. And then what I was able to see is, and he's actually made, let us say, the central quality assurance department, greater heights he has taken, and he made it very strong actually. And then particularly some of the systems and quality audits, post audits, all these things he made so great and very strong. And now the quality actually he has built into it. This one thing that a lot of credit goes to him, because many people when I talk to him, they tell, and today we are really, as a post audit is concerned, product audit is concerned, system audit is concerned, we are really strong. But for Agarwal, it would have been really difficult. This is what I hear from people. So I wish him all the best. And I'm quite sure, because he's so active, I don't think he's going to keep quiet at Delhi. And he will definitely find another assignment where he will be really active. And what an excellent knowledge has got in the field of quality. And he will definitely deliver, and then he will give a great service to the society. And also because Delhi chapter is already established, and Delhi branch, and he will be very live wire, I would say. And then there will be a lot of correspondence, and then he will take the Delhi NIQR to greater heights, and that will become really a source for us. So I wish him once again all the best to him officially, as well as also for family life. And he should really become more and more active and utilize all his knowledge, whatever he has acquired over a period of time, and serve the society. Let me thank. Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next is Sridharan Balaji, sir.
Hi, yes, sir. Good evening to all. Good evening, sir. Mr. Agarwal. I think after a long time we are meeting. Yeah, how are you? It's very nice thing. Actually, I had a lot of interaction with him when he was a president and I was secretary in NIQR, National Day. And many a times, he is very sober person. He will never react even for a small provocation. Doesn't mean that he will not submit for things which is not good for NIQR. The point, once he make it, that is a point of final also. I think such a great opportunity with that I have moved with him on many an occasions. Even the difficult situation, he used to guide the people without any this thing. And also, and I can share my time with him. Once we had been to Trivandrum branch and we had a lot of interaction with the people along with Mr. Rajsekharan and Mr. Swaminathan. And that time I had a very good opportunity to know him better. I don't know how many people know him, and he's a very down-to-earth person. This is what exactly I want to tell. And even when there is a lot of complicated things and which is very difficult to get accomplished and all, and we will make it very easy. And again, professionally, he is getting superannuated from his job. That is one thing. And definitely, I'll wish him to have a very good health and a very new phase of life. He's going to have a lot of challenges hereafter. And whatever he has not spent time with his family, I think he's going to spend more time with family. I think this is one thing. And otherwise, he's only bidding farewell to us from Chennai. That's all. He's going to Delhi. I think definitely we can see a very rocking hand at Delhi. And from there, he's going to regenerate NIQR more. And we are all looking for it. And this what, and he's going to become a connect between Chennai to Delhi. Okay. And with him, we got, during his time, we had we are only anchoring around Tamil Nadu or southern districts and states, only Pondicherry and Trivandrum, Coimbatore, something like that. And first time he was able to make a link with the people, those who are, we never know them, with the people from other automobile giant Tata and Maruti, and we made them friendly to us, and we are able to interact so easily. So the coordinating what he was doing, it is tremendous. Definitely, as a NIKR, people definitely would have enjoyed it. Even now, for many meetings and seminar and even virtual conferences, he is able to get the people, and his voice hereafter will be heard from Delhi, and we have to develop at this thing. And even when I had an opportunity, I think actually he has created an opportunity to go and meet people from QCI. And there also he got a good voice and name. And people are able to recognize him and respect him more. And this is how I got an opportunity to learn much from him. Actually, to tell, frankly enough, we are the guys from Ashok Leyland. Usually they are all almost frog in the well. We know what is happening only inside. We never had an opportunity to knowing things from outside. This is what we were getting like that. But after meeting him, I am becoming a frog outside, not frog in the well. Okay, this is how you have given a very good time and opportunity, and had a very, very friendly person. And NIKR also gained many things. See how to, in a conference mode and all, how to get to know the things, how to connect with the people and make, okay, my time is too long, I don't want to have too much of things, I have to let opportunity for others also. From Gauri Shankar face, I can be able to understand it. But anyhow, I wish him from this day, this time onward, more for NIKR and more time for your family and your people. Bye, sir.
Okay, I am not seeing Dr. Swaminathan, Srinivasan. So, Sundarudi, please take it up.
Good evening, all of you. I am very happy to felicitate Mr. P.K. Agarwal ji. My association with him is limited only to NIKR and only to in Chennai chapter. He is also a...
Sir, please start your video. We want to record you.
He is also a very calm person and passionate for quality. I think he is practicing quality in all his personal life also. That's why he is so calm. Okay, he is a very good person. He is instrumental for the NIKR's presence in western and northern parts of the India. And I hope he will continue the same service from Delhi. I hope next convention, what we planned in Delhi last time, probably in 2023, we will have it in Delhi with his support. Then I wish him all success in his life and good retired life and a happy life with his family. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Next, Mr. Vikram Salanke. Please unmute yourself.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. So thank you very much, Mr. Gauri Shankar, for giving me opportunity to speak on my personal behalf as well as on behalf of the Pune chapter for Mr. Agarwal. My association with Agarwal sir started almost 30 years back when I had just joined the metrology business in our company. And I remember Agarwal sir then was the head of quality in Maruti, and meeting him in the lab there. Such a senior person, I was the most junior guy in our company that time. He has been my mentor in the field of quality, and I owe it to him all the guidance that he gave it to me over the last 35 years that we have been associated. I was very happy when he came over to Chennai, and our association again started at TAFE. But very quickly he pulled me into NIKR activities, and we are happy that we participated to the best of our ability while he was the president. I remember the convention very well. It was one of the most remarkable convention that we had, and we all owe it to him for covering so many different topics at this convention, and also getting world wide speakers at this convention. I'm sure Agarwalji sir will continue his association with the field of quality. It's much beyond NIQR. I think he's one of the most passionate person of quality in India. So we look forward to work with him in Delhi, and like someone said, to help the new companies on the Make in India front on the quality aspect. Agarwal sir, thank you very much for all your guidance so far, and I wish you good health and also good time with your family while you are in Delhi. Namaste.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Janathanam, sir. Okay, we'll go to Trivandrum branch. Mr. Vadibhagavan, sir, Muthuganapati, sir, and others.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening to all the past 3 presidents and the present president of NIQR. I have got a special attachment towards Agarwalji because of TAFE connection. During 80s, during my MIT days, I took my final year training at TAFE actually. And I have enjoyed the warmness given to me by the management. Same thing, even after 30-35 years, still it continues in the form of Agarwalji. Though I am not having much contact with him, I want to share some of the moments which I had with him. During his period only, our NIQR headquarters EC team has visited Trivandrum, and it was a great motivation for us. Of course, I would like to highlight, because of his encouraging talk to our student chapter member, we could get the student chapter award actually. The Amal Jyoti College of Engineering, they have done a project work on smart city, which was appreciated and encouraged by Agarwalji very much during that meeting actually. So I thank you, sir, for motivating our branch actually. And another thing I want to say is, I have got an opportunity to attend a training program on SHED at Chennai, the first training I think so. So he is having a urge to learn actually. To say precisely, during that time, that training period, more clarifications and questions were asked by Sri Agarwalji. So again, I thank you, sir, for your motivating speech during that time. And whatever doubts we had, it was clarified because of your questions. And the final thing which I want to say is, we used to release our house branch newsletter, QR Views. I used to send the soft copy as well as hard copy to headquarters and to Agarwalji also when he was president. And he immediately used to respond, appreciate the topics which we have chosen, and that is an encouragement for us. And because of that only, we are continuing our QRVs still now. And during this occasion, I wish Sri Agarwalji all the best in his future endeavor, and I hope that NIQR will spread its wing in northern and eastern part of India. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Muthuganapati, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all. First of all, thank you very much for giving an opportunity to meet all of you, NIQR office bearers and the chief guest of the day. It's my pleasure to participate in your farewell function for Agarwalji. I had an opportunity to attend one EC at Chennai. I have admired on the decisions, the quick decisions being taken by Agarwalji on the meeting on that. I learned a lot of things from that meeting. And to add to the Adibhavan sir's experience on the TAFE also, no? I also have experience with the TAFE. After my immediate graduation, I was in Chennai, and I was a marketing engineer. I used to go for promoting my product where I was working, and I had an opportunity to visit the TAFE. And one gentleman, I don't remember that person who has taken me. See, in fact, that was lunchtime. I have been asked to take lunch from Toffee. I still remember the lunch, the quality being offered that time, no? It was excellent. I still remember the chapati, the softness, all that, no? So that is a quality for which, you feed the employee. So that gives a message that, no, the product, they give it or work for it. That also will be of in a greater way. I still remember some of the things we will not forget now. So that remembrance I want to just share. So it's all maybe because of the people work for Toffee, the hard work, dedication, motivation, all that. So on behalf of Trivandrum branch, we acknowledge the dedication, efforts put for making Toffee and especially NIQR. And we would like to have your support to bring up NIQR further, sir. And we, on behalf of NIQR Trivandrum branch, we wish you a peaceful and purposeful retired life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, Dr. Babe, madam. Babe, madam, please unmute and speak.
Good evening to all of you. Really, I'm so happy to tell you, seniors will be knowing today Krishna sweets and other sweets are popular. Once upon a time, only Agarwal sweets was popular. So the Agarwal name, we are very happy. Same thing like Agarwal sweet. Our Agarwal is also very sweet. That's what I want to tell you. So we'll all miss you. This is not a farewell party. This is just a felicitation and greetings to you. You are after all in Delhi. It's not far off. You have to come and attend all the easy meetings. After all, there are a number of flights. I'll be expecting you. And I really want it. I am also confident the Delhi chapter will fly to top level. And I'm really, we are all Delhi chapter because we are going to be there. My best wishes, no retirement. I know that retirement is just retirement, there is no retirement. I also want you to help my college because slightly you will be free. Thank you, best wishes to you.
Thank you, madam. Mr. Janardhan, sir.
Gauri sir is not there. Why don't we ask Sudasan sir to speak?
After the video. Friends, I have made a photo shoot there.
Oh, okay. No.
The photos of Mr. Agarwal. We will have the seniors speak after the photo shoot. Hello, Gaurav. Yes. I want to talk. Hello, Gaurav. Yes, please speak. Good evening, everyone. Respected Agarwalji, you have been one of the remarkable leaders NIQR has seen during the lifetime of NIQR. You have taken a very challenging assignments and brought laurels of NIQR to great heights. Okay, on behalf of the NIQRians, it is my duty to thank you for leading NIQR to great heights. Now that you are moving to Delhi, the capital of India, we expect a greater role for Agarwal ji in terms of the greater activities for NIQR in Delhi and the national capital region. There are a lot of activities which we have done here can be multiplied in the national capital. Plus, one more wish from my side is, in Delhi, we have a property which was bought long time back. The whereabouts are not known today. I request Agarwal ji to take the property so that NIQR has got a property in Delhi which can be used, put to use, or can be sold or bought somewhere. That is only my request. Thank you. You have been a very passionate leader, a friend, a guide, and mentor to NIQR. Thank you very much, and thank you. Thank you, Doctor. Now I request Mr. Sivanathan sir to speak a few words. Sivanathan sir.
Very good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
The kind of timeline Gauri sir has given is very tough. To talk about Agarwal Saab in 120 seconds is very tough for me. 35 years of association with him. We met in 1985. When I think of Agarwal Saab, few things comes to my mind. Anytime this name is synonymous with few things. One is meticulous, absolutely no doubt. You can, it's a dictionary meaning of Agarwal means meticulous, and most systematic person. And also wherever he goes, he will make the environment quick and span, very systematic. You enter there, you will find a difference. I remember my Maruti days. Any important visitor coming to Maruti, it's made as a point to take them to our QC lab, where Agarwal Saab was a head. And even if a very senior person comes, he won't dilute in his standard. He won't say, sir, you come with your shoe. No. He will stand at the entrance and say that, sir, please change your shoe. Come. So while he is so polite, so courteous, but he is very, very particular that rules are to be respected. I have seen many of the people, when it comes to pressure, all of us buckle on the rules. But he is one person I have seen, whether MD comes or a chief guest comes, the rule is rule. For everyone, it is the same. So that's a kind of culture he inculcates in the whole organization. These kind of people make so much difference to the organization, because people realize that while majority of the people are very easily deviating from normal, he is one, he doesn't deviate in this. And at the same time, you won't feel hurt, because you will feel happy that the system is working, this place is pretty good, because the way he puts it, the way he conducts it, he is a role model for many of the people. It's not only true for office. You look at his family, wonderful family to have. Of course, I'll miss Babiji's charts, but the children also, both sons are doing so well. They are MBAs from IIMs, and he never talks about it much, but all of them are brilliant people, and he has brought them up in a very, very meticulous way. If you meet them, you won't feel they are MBAs from IIM. So simple and nice kind of people. So that's wherever, whether it is personal life or professional life, he has always been leading with certain principles, which is very difficult many a times. Most of the times people gradually drift from there. But for years, I have seen him not deviating. When it comes to NIQR, when I first pulled him into NIQR, He was happily forthcoming to do that because he was new to Chennai, and the NIQR Chennai mostly, if you look at the people, all from South. When I called him, you come and join, he happily joined, and he started contributing so much. Everybody started liking him so much. As all of you said, the convention is a benchmark convention, and he revived so many branches, especially Delhi, Pune played a big part. Trivandrum and Pondicherry became more active, and he encourages everyone. He invests time on this one. You saw that he went for a graduation ceremony of a college and motivated the team members. So he invests time, his personal time on this one. I'm sure when he goes to Delhi, NIQR Delhi will become very strong. It will give a tough competition to NIQR Chennai headquarters. He will make it so strong that you will be so comfortable to share all the responsibilities. Maybe the conventions will become alternative time, one time in Chennai and one time in Delhi. That's what I look at it. And overall, when he goes to Delhi, wish him a very, very happy stay. May God bless him with all the happiness in the world, with good health and a good family life. All the very best, Agarwal Sahab. It is only a formal this thing. Our daily or weekly or monthly dialogues will continue. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, Janavaram sir will speak.
Good evening to all of you.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening,
First
sir.
of all, I wish you I wish Mr. Agarwal ji a very happy and healthy retired life. He has been working in Maruti and TAFE for more than 4 decades. And now, in his retired life, I have been enjoying. We will be able to do what is dear to our heart, and we will be able to spend some time with the family or more time with the family. Mr. Agarwal ji, your contribution to the NIQR national body is very commendable, and I enjoyed working with you, and I enjoyed very much your soft words and consultative approach in dealing with all the issues, for which NIQR is very much indebted to you in spreading such an approach. The next thing is, I am happy to know that you are going to continue your contribution to the NCR Delhi region, and that is, as Mr. Sivanesan pointed out, we will be able to do very well. The next one is, at this time of COVID and other things, all of us should know to develop how to improve the immunity by doing more exercise and also pranayamam and all other such things. After a long stint of working, we will be able to, we will very much miss you here. But of course, nowadays we will be able to keep in touch as and when we want, and please advise us your visit to Chennai through NIQR or personally to anyone, so that we can meet. Also, in respect, I will also keep your advice when I come to Delhi and make a point to meet you. And my best wishes to you and your family, and have a very, very prosperous life. Thank you, Mr. Agarwal ji. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Mr. Srikanth, please.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Respected Agarwal, sir, I felt I myself honored to participate in this farewell. We are like a kid to your experience. We really miss you in our Chennai chapter. You are really a role model and mentor to many of us, like quality professionals. Your achievements and contributions are stupendous on quality management. And I also learned about you that you are very sincere and eager on implementing quality management and systems. I wholeheartedly, I wish you all success in your future endeavor. You normally, this retired life will make people very dull, but in your case, I expect it will be an opportunity for you, a person like busy people like you, in your regular day-to-day work life. You might have missed lot of family occasions. I think this will give you opportunity to spend more time with your family. I pray to God to give all the boons you wish to achieve your success, and whichever heights you want to achieve in your rest of life. I wish you all success in your NAQR Delhi endeavor. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Sir. Anybody else wants to speak?
I have one line to speak, sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Agarwal, sir, I'll come to Delhi.
Okay. Mr. Manikandan, sir.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the opportunity. When I first saw him in 2014,
Ravisamy, good evening.
Open the video. Manikandan.
Ravisamy. Sorry for late.
Gauri sir, do I speak or Rangasamy will speak?
Wow. Mani sir, one second. I think there is some confusion. Gauri sir, please call out. Rangasamy sir is also speaking. Mani sir is also speaking.
Manikandan.
Manikandan sir. Rangasamy sir, please wait.
Yeah. So, am I audible?
Yes. Please
yeah.
go ahead.
Okay. When I first saw him in 2014, I saw him, he was very quiet, as I am. And then I came to know how dynamic he was. And he also understood how dynamic I was. And then I still remember our travel to a program in Delhi during the Chennai flood. He asked me, we have organized a program in Delhi, and there was a Chennai flood. Nothing was going out from Chennai. Then he asked me, how do we conduct that program? Then I said, let us travel to Bangalore. From Bangalore, we will go to Chennai. He said, readily okay. And that program was very, very successful. And I still remember and the good time we had during the travel. Though there were a lot of problems in Chennai, but the program was very good. And he has a good network. Network in the sense like he knows a lot of people in Coredi, and he helped me a lot during the last convention which I was conducting. I wouldn't say I was conducting, okay, the NAQR was conducting. Okay, so he helped a lot, especially with the speakers. We had problems in identifying speakers, and he came out with a lot of suggestions and we pulled a lot of speakers, and that's how the convention was conducted. And he has the ability to, or I would say he has the knack of dealing with volunteers. I think people will understand what do I mean by volunteers. Okay. So the volunteers, he has the knack to manage them, and I learned a lot from him, and I derived a lot of energy from him, and he has that emotional quotient, not only emotional quotient, and the political quotient, and the IQ. Okay. So you used to guide me, Mani, you do like this, okay. It will be accepted. The same way I used to do, and it will be accepted. And if it is not accepted, he will come to my desk. So that is how the last convention was conducted, but I am really going to miss him. Okay. When I say I am really going to miss him, he is not going anywhere. He is only going to be in part of India. He is only going to Delhi. And next convention we can plan in Delhi, as many of you have said, and he can contribute a lot. And I am ready to help his hand in conducting the convention in Delhi with whatever the quality I have. And he is well settled now, so he can contribute more towards quality. And I pray to God that he contributes more towards quality and for the nation and for the industry. For the industry and the nation. So, with tears in my eyes, I say farewell. I'm not saying farewell actually. I'm saying whatever it is. I'm not getting the words. Okay. So, thanks a lot, sir. Okay. That's all I can say.
Thank you, Manivandan sir. Next, Dr. Rangasamy, please. Rangasamy, please unmute yourself, sir.
Sir, he's unmuted. He'll speak now.
Yes, sir.
Rangasamy, sir, please speak.
Mute it, Kirpiya.
He'll be muted. I'm trying to... Okay, I'll try to.
Vivekanand, sir.
Sir, go to Amit Jain, sir. Our person.
Vivekanandan, yeah, he is ready.
Vivekanand.
Perfect.
Hello.
Yeah.
So good evening to all.
Good evening.
I have less interaction with Mr. Agrawal ji. When we relaunching our Pondicherry chapter, he has some assignment at that time. He has some other assignment at Pune. Hello?
Yes, sir, please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. So anyway, I got a lot of information about Agrawal ji when he was working in the cafe. He's a very strong person in the quality guy. Anyway, and regarding this conventional program, he has done a lot of activity, and my best wishes, and enjoy his retired life at Delhi. I think NIQR Delhi branch will get more lot of activities. Thank you very much, sir. Agrawal, thank you.
Thank you, Vivekanand, sir. Next, Dr. Rangaswamy, please. Dr. Rangaswamy. Okay, we'll go to Mr. Amit Jain, sir. Yes, sir, Mr. Amit Jain, please.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Amit, sir, just can you switch on your video, sir?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, good evening to one and all. It's my pleasure to be the part of this farewell program of P.K. Agrawal ji. In fact, he has been the instrumental for bringing me into the NIQR. And I've got to know about the NIQR, the kind of activities NIQR has been doing for so long through Pradeep ji only. I've been fortunate to be his neighbor, and a lot of insights I've got, and I've got opportunity to meet with so many wonderful people of NIQR through him. And I really admire the kind of passion which he brings on the table the ideas, the way to conduct things, the kind of experience is just too amazing. Every time when I get opportunity to spend time with him, there is so much of learning personally, which I used to get, and that is something which I would definitely miss, especially some of the weekends we have spent together personally is just too good for me. I wish him all the very best, and we will all definitely continue to be in touch with you, and I wish you most and more in your next inning, and I'm sure your next inning would be much more exciting for you than the previous one. So all the very best to you.
Thank you, Amitji.
Dr. V.S. Dr. Swaminathan.
Yeah. It is audible?
Perfect, sir. Please go ahead.
Good evening to all. Agarwal ji, I am the great admirer of you. Always admired your activities. Nook and Corner for the past 5 years. You may be recollect, in 1987, I visited your lab along with Deepak Saukar of your engineering department with the advice of Dr. Kumar ji. At that time, I saw you as a very, very active person there. You have shown nook and corner of the activities, what you are all doing. I was so impressed at the time, but I never mentioned to you for the past 5 years when you are along with me. Because I reserved that one to tell you today.
To tell you
One of the
today.
things. Not only that, but also as rightly mentioned by Shivanesan, I was also along with Shivanesan 2-3 times I came to your place. You may be recollect that one. I don't know. Now, coming to the point, I have a lot of interaction with Agarwal ji. After he is president of NIQR, he made the NIQR with a long visionary way. He looked at the NIQR. He developed a NAB, that is the advisory board. He made the advisory board to do that. For that, he was the key person. He is also a co-chairman. That is one of the best things he did. It is doing very well nowadays. The next one, he was the instrumental to bring the ASQ MOU. We did a lot of program along with them, but some of them we are unable to do it, but obvious reasons. One more thing, when we have conducted the NIQR Six Sigma convention, Hotel Westin, there are 30 teams for there. That was the benchmarked one at the time. We are unable to announce the a grade of the people, platinum or silver or gold and all. He came to the board. He discussed with all the 6 people, the examiners and those people. He finally made a very simple logic he gave to us. It was helpful on the day. We made that happen very well. After that, all the people joined in the Six Sigma program. They wanted to take a photograph along with Agarwal. He have given the solution on the day. We are all in trouble. He have given a very simple solution. That was the thing happened. I am happy with that, Agarwal ji. You have done an excellent job on the day for us. Then, another thing, during your period, I would say the student chapter all over India has been spread. That was one of the great things you did. We are very happy about it, sir. Next one, revival of the branch. You have taken the strong step. You have given the free hand also sometime to me. That and all happened. We are also, you are also instrumental to do the Pune and the NCR branches. I was very happy about it, sir. Next one, the convention was the mega event during your period. It was happened. You have done an excellent job. But the final day, the second day, we are supposed to be get the central minister. He is unable to come due to the political reason. It was so much congested at the time due to the great leader passed away. That is the Karunanidhi. That was the thing happened. They are unable to come, the central ministers. All of a sudden, to whom we have to approach in the 11th hour? That was the question. Everybody running pillar to post. Finally, all of us discussed. We got a good person on the day. We brought our gentleman, Santanam of Saint Corbin. He was so happy on the day. He was so much happy with me, sir. Because of you only it has happened. He was so much happy. I was also very happy, sir. You also thanked me on the day. I am very happy about it, sir. Another thing, in your period only, we are all senior people. I joined in NIQR 1980. Even before that, I was in NIQA. Then 87 was the NIQR born. During that period onwards, I am working for NIQR. With your hand, with your advice, I got the fellowship. It was a great honor for me, sir. Thank you very much on that, sir. That is one of the things. But another thing, you made a NIQR in the limelight on the QCI, Quality Council of India. You made a vital role. After your intervention, after your presidency, all the people, whoever got the chances, we went there, we discussed with them, we are part of them, we are continuously for the first 12 years, we are in the board. This is because of your strong foundation as well as your relationship, what you are maintaining with the Delhi people. Thank you very much, sir, for that. Another one, you are also one of the instrumental for SME development. You are always having the SME, unless the SME will be there, we cannot be there. So for that, you have also sanctioned something good news for the CIMA that you did. We are happy about it, sir. Now, my final conclusion is all the very best for your future endeavor. You have to help us all the way. I would say you are not retired. That is my strong point. One of my experience, after my retirement for the past 18 years, I am doing very well. I am very happy about it. It is more than that you must achieve. You must be prosperous with your family, with your friends, all of us. Thank you very much, sir. Finally, need not worry. North or east, north or west, south, east or west, NIQR is the best. That you are proved. We are very, very happy about that, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Mr. Jagannatha Rao, interested? You are there? I'm not able to see you.
Sir, who is this next, sir? Gauri, sir?
Okay.
He is there, Jagannatha Rao, he is there.
Jagannatha Rao is there?
Yeah. Only he has to unmute.
Jagannatha Rao, sir, please speak.
Hello. Am I audible, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Dear Agarwal ji, good evening. So, first time when I heard your name in NIQR, I remember my dear friend and colleague from Kisco. So he was Mr. M.L. Agarwal, Mohanlal Agarwal. When I saw you, exactly behind the same place and so calm, always very pleasant and not emotional like me.
Hello.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. During the last.
Due to problem, not able to reach.
Not able to hear?
Sir, we are able to hear you, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. So, during the last convention, it was excellently managed under his leadership, and we really enjoyed your leadership and company. We wish all the best in the retired life. Actually, my own experience is I started learning more after retirement. So I think I wish you a very active and very highly learning retired life at Delhi, and also to contribute to NIQR through your efforts there. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you. Okay. Hello.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We have listened.
Thank you, Sultan Pani.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Gauri Venkatramani join பண்ணிருக்காரு.
ஆமா. பாத்துறேன் சார். I'll be aware.
ராகவன் கௌரிக்கு சொல்லுங்க.
He is aware. I already typed. Please wait. Venkatramani sir, you can speak.
Venkatramaniya, Nana.
Yes, you பேசுறீங்க sir. அவர் ராஜசேகர் sir.
Oh, I have got only one thing. P.K. Agarwal, pious, very kind, amiable, a great leader, a group motivator, always a helping hand, respecting everyone, irrespective of positions, and well behaved, adoring the positions, and a lasting friend. We will not miss him. We are going to send him to Delhi. I already told some of my messages. It is not a farewell to Delhi. It's a farewell from Chennai, welcoming to Delhi. So because of his position at Delhi and he's moving to Delhi, we'll be able to have more interaction with the central ministry, and many things can be done to the NIQR. And certainly we will see that Delhi being the capital of India, he will do some capital work there and do. But we have to be very careful at Chennai, because he will outsmart everybody, and it's very silent, smart personality who can outwin anybody, win hearts and then get things done. The wonderful friend of us, though I had few occasions to interact with him, he always treated me like his brother, and I wish him and his family all success. Retirement is not retirement. I am one classic example. I never retired in my life. So it's a second innings he starts, and you'll do much better and much bigger. Probably he'll occupy another bigger position at Delhi, and wish him Godspeed in all his endeavors. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Can I talk?
Oh, one second, Rajshekhar sir. Anybody else who wants to share before I will leave to the national president? Just raise your like. I'm going to mute others so that now national president Mr. Rajshekhar will talk.
Am I clear? My screen is clear or not?
1 second, sir. I'll just check.
Because my otherwise I'll talk in my cell phone.
No, sir. I'll just check. 1 second. Yes, sir. Rajshekhar sir, you can go ahead, sir. Yeah, I can see you.
Friends,
Others, I request others to mute. Sir, Raj Singh, also put your cell phone connection on mute mode, sir. Thank you. I will mute it, sir, from here.
You muted my cell phone.
No, sir. You mute this. You mute your cell phone, sir. Then you can speak. Now you mute. You can unmute this connection, sir. Then you can speak now. You mute your computer. Unmute your computer connection, sir. Raj Singh, sir, we are not able to hear you.
Again, sir.
Now it's clear, sir. Go ahead, sir.
I'll switch off my cell phone.
Yes, sir. No problem. We'll wait.
Good evening, friends, and a very special good evening to the hero of the day and the evening, Mr. Agarwal ji. First of all, I wish to thank NIQR for giving me a great friend for my rest of my life. I met him 6 years ago in the Park Hotel when we were conducting one of the programs. And the first instance, we become friends. From the day one, we become friends, and the journey continues, and it will continue till we both are alive. That's what we have taken a promise among both of us. I had several meetings and I had several interactions with him. I had the opportunity to travel along with him to many places and conduct programs. One of the things I wish to recall here is in 2015, there was big Chennai floods, and he was instrumental in organizing the first program in Delhi, which ultimately became the reason for the Delhi chapter to come into place. So during that time, there was a big flood. At least we in Chennai, we knew what is that floods and how it will react. Being a new person to Chennai, but he still took the risk. And he asked me, how do we go to Delhi? And me, Manikandan, and Mr. Agarwal took my car went to Bangalore. From there, we reached Delhi. And nobody in Delhi was expecting us. And they said Chennai was erased out of the map. How come you guys are here? Because of his conviction that we should conduct that program. And it was the beginning for all our success stories in the North. I could see his conviction and commitment to that program, and I was very attached, and I was really happy that he was with us from that point of time. And we had several stars in South. We were more of a South-based organization. I wish to tell at this point of time, he was the only one North star among us. And he was like a Duru. So he came into NIQR and we really had the northern presence. I would call him more a South Indian. Even though he comes from North, he resembles in his character, in his style, in the way he acts. He was more South Indian and he was a North star and he was a real connect between North and South. I think Mr. Agarwal ji will start a new innings from now, and he's going to have a great new innings in Delhi. And he is going to continue with us as an NIQRN and take NIQR to great heights from Delhi. And I only will miss him because every week I used to interact at least 3-4 times. And every 15 days we used to have a meeting together as friends together. And even I had the opportunity on behalf of NIQR to host him a lunch 2 days back. And I was able to present a memento on behalf of NIQR to him. And it is going to be just 2,000 kilometers away, and he's going to be with us. And we are going to continue our journey. I wish to thank Mr. Agarwal at this point of time for all his great contributions to NIQR and to all of us. And he was a great mentor to me and like an elder brother to me. I used to call Mr. Shivanesan as my elder brother, and Mr. Agarwal ji joined in that group. And he definitely acted like an elder brother during my tenure as president now. Thank you very much. Agarwal ji, a great beginning and a great new life from this point of time. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Agarwal ji to speak.
Yeah, good evening, friends. Good evening, NIQRians. It has been a great opportunity to listen to all the leaders together in one go. This is a rarest occasion. Of course, in the EC meetings, I was able to listen from many of the people. But the best part is the dream which was there that people from other locations also should join. That has happened. And today is that day also. That is one of the days. Now, I joined NIQR about 6 years back. But it doesn't look like 6 years back only. it seems to be a journey which might be happening 60 years back. Because all of you are so passionate, so close, and the kind of affection and love you people have given to me, that helped me to contribute to NIQR in a small way. Whatever is being told or whatever is being shown, I could not think of all those things that would have happened. This is what you people have made happen. I was just a person to make it happen, that's all. To be a member of the team. You people are the true leaders. People like Dr. Swaminathan, Mr. Sivanesan, and the many veterans who are available, Dr. KNK, all those people. I am missing Mr. Rangarajan over here, who had been one of the persons who had been always hand-holding us. As rightly told, and I also requested all of you not to call it as a farewell. Because last 2-3 days I have been attending many farewells. Yesterday was the TAFE farewell. There my opening remark was, I thanked TAFE to bring me to Chennai, because why I thanked TAFE to bring me to Chennai was, I was able to meet the NIQR team. When I joined TAFE, in the first introduction day, the head of quality assurance, in one of the slides he showed he got the gold award from NIQR. That was the first time I heard the name of NIQR. Of course, long back when Dr. Krishna Kumar was also awarded as a Quality Man of the Year in Maruti, we also heard the name of NIQR, but it was not in focus. When I heard the name of NIQR again after joining TAFE, I became curious, and that was the time when luckily Mr. Sivanesan called me up and he pulled me into, he told, why don't you become a member of NIQR and join the leadership team directly. I am really fortunate that I came into the team and I had major learnings in this team. It's a fantastic team. The oldest person in this team is the most active. The person who is sitting now in front of me, Gauri Shankar, is there. Many other stalwarts are there. I am going to Delhi. It does not mean that I am away. Like right now we are talking to each other digitally. We will be connected digitally. And I think once in a month we will be definitely joining through a short con call or Zoom meetings. And I think this is a time through Delhi we will launch it, international NIQR. That is the promise I have. I want the support from all of you. Don't look only at Delhi. Now you have to look beyond Delhi. Beyond Delhi is nothing but the international forum. So my best wishes to the whole team. I will remain connected, and I think after retirement from the TAFE or Maruti or wherever I have been working, I completed my 42 years of working last month. So I am feeling like I am a free bird now, and now I will be working for a boundaryless organization, and NIQR is a part of that. So with this boundaryless thing, I will be able to spread my wings more. Only thing is I need support from each and every one member of the NIQR, whether in Delhi, Pune, Chennai, Pondicherry, anywhere. My best wishes for further better journeys of NIQR. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We will definitely fulfill your wishes. We will be giving all supports for you to have an excellent life in Delhi. Now, I thank one and all for having spent the last 1.5 hours, 90 minutes rather, for this wonderful function to felicitate Mr. Agarwal ji. Thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks to all.
Thanks, sir. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank
Agarwal ji.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Meet again.
Thank you all. Thank you.
We'll meet again.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. We'll
Thank
meet
you all
again.
for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, Agarwal sir. I think you had a power cut. Still you have managed.